Everyone, this is Thibaut, and today we'll talk about a good perfect. First of all, the definition. The perfect is a way to execute an action perfectly in the game. So the user flow is the following. First, the player sees the obstacle or the next target. Then he does the action perfectly, and then he gets more reward than usual because he did the action perfectly. So why do we add a perfect in the games? Actually, the player wants to feel he's very skilled at something. And when you think that you are really good at something, you like the thing that you do, so you want to come back. So if we give the user the possibility to make a perfect, he will think that he is very good, and then he will come back at the game, and he will be addicted to this game. Then the player wants to get more reward and more points. So a perfect is a good way for us to give him this possibility. So what is a good perfect for us? A good perfect has clear rules, it is addictive, and it gives more reward. So first, for the clear rules, on the one side, you have to display very, very clearly the rules of the perfect. It means that you have to make the user understand very quickly how he is going to get a perfect. On the left, on Fire Rise, you have this green circle, which is very obvious, so the user knows in advance how to make a perfect. On the right, you have the game Stack Jump, and you can understand very quickly whether you've made a perfect or not. You have this little white visual effect whenever you make a perfect, so the user knows very clearly whether he achieved or not to make a perfect. Then you have to make a perfect, which is addictive, and for that you have several tricks to do that. First, on the left, you have the game Splashy, where you have an incremental scoring system. Whenever you make a perfect, you will earn more points, and if you make another perfect after the first one, you earn more points. So the scoring system is incremental, and this is a way to make the perfect system very addictive, because you don't want to lose the perfect that you've done before, because you score more and more. On the right, this is slightly different on the game Dune. Making a perfect unlocks a specific new game experience. Whenever you make a perfect in Dune, you can go very high and you enter a game session which is more contemplative, more fun actually. And you can't go as high, you can't have this feeling when you don't make a perfect. Third, this is the fact that you have to give more reward to the user whenever he makes a perfect. So for that, you can add visual effects as smoke and screen shake in Flappy Dunk on the left. You can feel that you are on fire, literally on fire, because you achieved some good actions and you get some good perfects. On the right, on the game Baseball Boy, the perfect is more contemplative, so you can rest and you can see what you achieved, and you have this very interesting slow motion effect that is really rewarding, so you can feel like you are very, very good and you did something which is really, really interesting while watching this very beautiful slow motion and visual effect. That's it for the different perfects that you can implement on your game, and we are really looking forward to seeing the new ideas that you are going to come up with on your next games with a new type of perfect. Thank you guys, and bye-bye.